Welcome to Jim's detail video. Jim Laws was good enough to post a little video on how he does his details. I think it's sort of intriguing, actually. And so what I've got here is I've got my layout, and I open up a section, and here's my section right here, and I'm going to detail this thing right there. And I'm going to change this to, I don't know what I'm going to change it to. I'm going to send this, Control U, to my layout sheet. I have two different files. I have the plan file, and then I have the layout, not the layout sheet, the detail file. And I want to put that detail right in that 25, and I'm going to just see what it looks like if I do this. So send this to layout, and I think I'm going to send it 0.75 current screen. Let's just see how it works out. Where is it? Oh, I sent it to layout. Well, that's okay. Okay. That's what he got. Control X. That's why I just sent the layout, and I want to put it in my detail. I guess this is one way of doing it. Control V, and so he wants to put it right there. And I guess that's a live detail that I just put here. So he sends the detail straight to layout. But now how do you, oh, now I guess, well, that's sort of clever, I guess. It's there. And it's live. And if I change it to a square cut eve, it's going to automatically change. The problem, of course, is if the homeowner comes back and changes this wall location, move it back 2 foot, it's going to mess up the whole detail. So I don't know if, well, that's sort of interesting. And I think you can, if you go back to your section, you can put your notes and stuff in there and put them on a different layer so they don't show up in the section, on the section itself, but only on the detail, if you understand what I'm saying. Because if I went to F6, I would then, oh, here. Yeah, and so what he would do, I would change an anno set here. I would create a new anno set called hang on a second. Here I am. I'm going to go into my sections. This is sort of interesting, I think. And I'm going to create a new anno set called copy. A4 sections, details, A4 sections, details. Where to go? A6 sections. This one. Oh, I guess I don't need this. I should know this by now. And now I come into define A6 copy set, A6 sections, details. Okay. And now I'm going to add a new text copy sections, details. And this is going to be I think my text, I just define copy one tab, okay, one, okay. Now for my text, I'm going to use, I don't know, copy. This is going to be sections, details, text. Okay, and I want to put that text style as, use layer for text style, line style, text, sections, details. Okay. Now if I come over here and I say why ceiling joists, what size is this? cancel. Oh, delete. When I'm working on this, I should be in my anno set called, I thought I had a nano set here, 86, oh, details right there. Okay, now I'm in that. Now, why? Ceiling joists. Very small little text because it's going to, whatever. Control C, Control V, U, rafters. 2 to put this, 2 to make that parallel to this. Here's my rafters. And then I go Y insulation. U, give it an arrow. I don't know what size arrow this is. Oh, very big arrow. I'll have to change that. Anyway, insulation. And now if I come over to here, oh, not good. Too big. Why is it so big? Why is that text so big? Oh, because I got that. Well, that's interesting. Oh, cancel. Because this has to be there. That's what that should be. Yeah, there it is. Now this is Jim's method. Well, that's kind of cool. I think that's sort of Jim's method. And so these things are actually in where they are. And I can monkey around with the line style and stuff, but that's more or less what Jim would do. And you immediately change your line styles and stuff. And so that's one way Jim could do it. The problem is if you move this wall over, then it's going to really affect the detail. You get what I'm saying? I think on that. And if I go back to my F6. Oh boy. Oh, this is so slow now. This is a very, very small file. Oh, I don't like this at all. But if I go back to my, where's my layout? Right here. Oh God, is it really this slow? I can't stand this. Now if I go back to my details, I bet that detail, oh, yeah, so all I have to do is turn off that, for this type of a layout, I have to just go turn off my, just turn that off. And there it is. So I think that's what Jim's proposing. Interesting idea. Where'd my details go? I forgot. Oh no, here. And that detail is actually in the layout, and I think that's a live detail. And he does automatic detailing, auto detailing, which I don't like. But anyway, that's it. Just a different take on doing this. And I suppose if you move the wall over, all you do is just move this. If the wall moved over 4 inches, you just stretch this detail out and to where the wall is now. Yeah, it's sort of clever, actually. It's a live detail. And can you... anyway, just a thought. That's it.